Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to delete watch history on Instagram. Now, if you want to delete your watch history on Instagram, it's quite easy. Just make sure you have the most updated version of Instagram, otherwise, this feature might not be available for you. Once you've made sure that you have the latest version of Instagram in your smartphone, you can go ahead and click on the top right corner to go into the menu section of your Instagram profile, and then you can click on your activity. It's the third option here. Once you click on your activity, you can scroll down and see an option where it says watch history. Just click on watch history and you will see that this is all of the history that I have. Just click on select all the, reels, stories or posts that you watched. Just click remove again. And that is it. You have now successfully deleted some of your watch history. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can easily delete watch history on Instagram. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.